Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this beautiful problem. The problem is that how many numbers are divisible by 7 between 6 and 100. We have to find the value of numbers that between 6 and 100 that are exactly divided by 7s. So first of all, here we see the sequence. The sequence is that 6 and 100. So 6 to 100. Now we see the sequence, that is 6 is divided by 7, not. Or 100 is divided by 7, not. So we find the numbers that are exactly divided by 7. So 6, after 6 it's come 7. So 7 divided by 7, yes. So the first term of our sequence is 7. Now we move on the last term. Is 100 is divided by 7? We see 100 divided by 7. No, 100 can't divide by 7, exactly cannot divide by 7. So now we move on the next number, that 99. So is 99, we are moving to 99 because we have between 6 and 100. So now 99 is 99 exactly divided by 7, not. 98 divided by 7, 7 1 the 7 and 7 for the 20, 98. So it means 98 is exactly divided by 7. So our last number in sequence is 98. So this is our sequence, the 7 to 98. Now we find the numbers. How many numbers? The formula for number is m is equals to last term minus first term upon difference plus 1. So now we put the values in this equation. So m is equals to the last term is equals to 98. We write 98 minus first term is equals to 7 upon d means common difference. So we know that difference is 7 and plus 1. So now here n is equals to 98 minus 7 upon 7 plus 1. So 98 minus 7 is equals to 91 upon 7 plus 1. So now where we are find the LCM. So LCM is equals to 7. So we write here 7, it's equals to 91 plus 7. So it's equals to 91 plus 7 is equals to 98 divided by 7. So 98 divided by 7, 7 1 the 7 and 7 14 the 98. So it means m is equals to 14. The number of terms is equals to 14. There are 14 numbers between 6 and 100 that are exactly divided by 7.